Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on high contrast on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on high contrast on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Easy of Access. In left pane, you will find an option high contrast. Click on high contrast. And the first option, use high contrast. And by default, it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Please wait. Now, high contrast is turned on. If you want to turn off in the same way, just click here to turn it off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.